Hi guys, in this video we are going to explain how to handle electrically switchable water pumps correctly. Hi Torben. Torben, in my training courses I'm often asked about the correct way to handle electrically switchable water pumps. Here we have our WP6098 pump from Volkswagen. Tell us what we need to watch out for in particular here. Well, there are several things we have to remember with this water pump, Stefan. Mechanics are always tempted to pick up the new water pump and carry out an initial function test. First, they give the wheel here a good turn. That's the classic one. Absolutely. And then there comes a second function test. We check whether the sliding impeller shield really works. Function test 2, also a mistake. This is because we mustn't turn the water pump before it has been fitted. The problem here is that the coolant must first create a film of lubricant on the inside to prevent damage to the water pump and bearing. As for our impeller shield, behind it there is a sliding shoe. If this is pulled out without any coolant, it could cause the whole thing to slant and then become damaged. If you fit the water pump after carrying out my 2 function tests, the pump may become damaged. We've reviewed the whole thing, and here are a few familiar cases of typical faults. Here we have a broken impeller, for example. The impeller is made of plastic, and putting the water pump down on this plastic part is enough to break it. Not only do you have to be careful when putting it down, the same thing can happen if the water pump is fitted at a slant. There is not much space in the engine compartment, and the work has to be done fast. The boss is breathing down your neck. You have to get the job finished. So what happens? You bang the pump against the engine compartment and that's it, the impeller is broken. And that can cause damage. Okay, what about the corroded specimen here? That's another familiar fault pattern. This one is related to our 2 function tests. If my hands are a little greasy, either from work or my mid-morning sandwich, and I turn this part or take hold of the whole thing and grease gets onto it, then it will cause corrosion. The impeller could malfunction, the sliding impeller shield could malfunction, or the pump could make a noise. So as you can see, there are quite a few things to watch out for with these water pumps. And of course, they have actually already been tested. Exactly, for that reason you can and indeed should avoid carrying out these function tests. I hope that all made sense. If so, please give this video a thumbs up or post a comment. See you again soon in the workshop.